Welcome to my YouTube channel Airdrop World. Friend, new project name is Go Puppy. So Go Puppy is a metaverse project. So it is a collection and game built on the leading decentralized crypto gamify metaverse. Game metaverse project. If we discuss about the metaverse project, the projects that is built on gamified and the purpose of token is to play game and earn rewards for playing games. So this is the main project. So Kokopi collections. So it is a 3D collectible with the application scenarios, more than 50 rich 3D characters. They are creating doggy style NFTs cards or surprise cards that is used in games, that is used in playing games. So Puppy NFT certified trading platform. It is a certified trading platform that is certified from Certic, and you can check that that is certified from audit authority from Certic and Armors. So there are strong investors, XC Ventures and Investor Ventures groups, and their close partners are Binance Smart Chain. Binance Smart Chain is a very strong project. MetaMask, CoinGecko, PancakeSwap, CoinMarketCap, CoinStarter, GameStarter, Maths, Wallet, Clover. So they are very huge partners, big partners that are investing in this project, and if we discuss about gamified, so gamify metaverse. So puppies have established a paradise in puppy world and living a happy life, but the ragging habits disturb the peace. In order to save their homes, puppy really rally up the engaged invasion. It's gonna be a great war. So they have the so they will discuss the game co-puppy in
Hey everyone, Brandon
protocol
from Glorious, where we focus
in
on goals,
detail
gains. Today we're
about
talking
this
about
project.
GoPuppy, a
So
project that
Janus
was discovered.
project, share project, and all these things are on this project. So if we discuss about the mysterious box, so mysterious surprise, there are three types of mysterious box: surprise mysterious box, 3D. So if anyone want to buy this box, total surprise is 200 and the price is 200 USDT. So you will get mysterious cards. So game mysterious box, bounty card mysterious box, raw material box. So there one GC coin. So if we open to this card, so raw material mysterious box card, we need one GC coin, which is that is price of approximately $2. So the GC coin price. So this is not the GC coin. GC coin. So don't worry, if you connect your MetaMask, you will see the price of both the CP coins and GC coins on this. So these are all the mysterious boxes. If anyone want to earn from farming, puppy farming, then you can stake their coins and earn rewards such as stake BNB and cake coin, stake BUSD and BNB coin USD. They are pairs of both the farm of coins, and you can select any of them and put it on farming to earn rewards. So is your stake value, your GC coin value LP, and LP coins are listed here. So if you anyone want to deposit LP coins and such as type amount and approve, and if they withdraw any coins, so type amount and withdraw it anytime. So Capify equity NFT farming, we can we can stake our NFT cards, share cards, and bounty cards, and earn rewards from these cards. So we can earn reward from farming through both by staking coins or by NFT farming cards. So my puppy card, dashboard, DAO market, metaverse. So these are all their projects. Metaverse, the encrypted world of dogs. So Co-Puppy Metaverse has constructed a virtual world. Co-Puppy, all the dogs here can create their own value in the world. So this is the metaverse. Westbrook, it is known as a wealthy area in the Co-Puppy world. So these are all their tools in game which we can use and to earn money from the game. So if we click on the market, so market of Co-Puppy is Co-Puppy recent transactions market. So which NFT card is selling on this price. Stone of Brave is selling at is 175 CP tokens, and Dragon Driver is 245 USD tokens. So Co-Puppy native token is CP. Co-Puppy native token is CP, which is symbol is CP, and already listed on CoinMarketCap with their price of 0.3 cent, and already listed which have a strong market cap. You can check it on, or trading volume is also very good. So their token supply and all also are very. So if we check it, their all-time high price is is near to $3.5. So now it is available at very cheap price. It is now less than 10 times from its all-time price. So this is a very good opportunity to buy it and earn profit. So if we check their markets, so this is available on PancakeSwap, MEXC exchange, BabySwap, ZT exchange, and FOFX exchange. So we can buy it from these exchanges. So Co-Puppy, if their they have discussed about their details in their Co-Puppy metaverse. Use quick manual. If anyone want to know about this lottery ticket, then you can read an article and set the settings. So farm CP on BabySwap. So Co-Puppy and BabySwap, there are articles about their how to farm and how to how to play on Co-Puppy. So there is their Twitter social media profile. Their social media profile is very active. As you can check that there are different platform: Metaverse, NFT market, 3D card, 2D card, bounty, farm, DAO. So there are different platforms for earning. So you can check there are, it is very low market 10 low cap metaverse project. By number of holders, there is listed on fourth number on with their market cap of $5.4 million, and their number of holders are 17.6k. So this is a very strong project if we check it. So their social media profile is very active. They have partnership with their strong companies. So I hope this project is very in future is very bright. So if we buy it from MEXC exchange, so we can click it on here. So you can easily check that their price is CP USD, that their price is 0.34 cent. We can easily check it that. So I hope you like this project. It is a very strong project, and you have to join it to earn profit. So battle lending, their main is collection, battle lending, valuation, gamified metaverse. So